I go.
Ready, already. The thing is, finding the right pieces to put them in the right spot. Huh, fuck that. We'll record that. Got the one side. You got these all matched up like you're supposed to. So, red and white, red. Now the red and the white one's in place like it's supposed to. So, white and orange. I'm not gonna go with the right orange. Try yellow, no? Orange and yellow? Orange and yellow, no, fuck. So, now we have to do the fun part. So, which one did I just pull out here? Orange and yellow. So, get them moved so that it's over here. Up, over, down. So now, the yellow and orange are matched. Red and white. So, I need red and yellow. There's the red and yellow right there. Move it away. Up. Over. So, now I need the orange and white. That leaves me with the top. So it's like that. So now we get the cross. And all the sides on the cross are matched up. So, green, white, yellow, so, right, yeah, okay. Gotta do this a couple of times.
Yep.
So, now then we got these two, we want them facing that way, and it will soon be solved. Provided, of course, I don't fuck up. And solved.
Boom. Wow. Bada bing, what do you think about that?
He's a genius.
He's a genius. He is a genius.
I'm still working on the four-sided one.
Oh god.
It's a little bit more in depth. But once you get it so it's like a three-sided one,